So welcome to Math Mechanics. So shear stress pa rin yung topic natin. Solve natin tong problem na to. Sabi sa problem, a key prevents relative rotation between the shaft and the pulley. If the torque T is equal to 2,200 Newton meter is applied to the shaft, determine the smallest safe dimension of B if the working shear stress for the key is 60 MPa. So, given tayong torque, di ba? Torque natin is equal to 2,200 Newton meter daw. Then, meron tayong shear stress. Shear stress na equals to 60 MPa, which is equal to 60 Newton per millimeter square. Then, given tayo ng figure. Meron tayong figure daw. Ito. Then, pinapahanap is yung base na itong anong tawag dito? Key. Sabi. Oo. Pinapahanap yung niyan, yung base. Ano ba yung base niyan? Ito yung base niyan, no? So, ito. Then, ito yung height niya. So, ito yung length. Ay, hindi. Ano to? Basta yun. Ito yung hinahanap. So, analyze natin yung problem. So, meron tayong shear stress. Wala tayong force. Wala tayong area, no? So, yung area natin, area is equal to B multiplied by 10 mm ba? Or 70 mm ba? 70 or 10. So, analyze natin. If gagamitin natin yung 10, shear force ba yung tawag doon? If dito siya mag-a-act, shear force ba yun? Hindi. So, dapat gamitin natin is 70 kasi yung shear force natin is nag-a-act parallel to the cross-section. So, pag ganyan yung natin, shear force. So, illustrate nga natin para mas ma-visualize. So, imagine natin, no? Isa-section natin tong na to. Yung object na to, which is key daw. So, meron tayong ganyan, no? Meron tayong key na ganyan. Then, ito yung part na to. Yung kung saan nag-act yung shear force natin. So, ito yung cross-section na yon. So, yung area natin, isipin nyo, if umikot to, magkakaroon ng shearing force dito, no? Which is parallel to the cross-section. So, yung cross-section natin, hindi to, which is etong nasa taas natin. So, hindi rin pwede to. Bakit? Kasi ito is 70 mm. Tapos ito is 10 mm. Pero kailangan natin makuha yung base. So, ito yung base multiply by 70 mm. So, I hope nakuha nyo na yun. So, area natin ngayon is equal to base multiply by 70 mm. So, write natin yung mga unit, no? Sana pa, wala tayong force. Pero meron tayong torque. Ano yung formula ng torque? Torque is equal to the force multiplied by the distance, which is kung saan siya nagmo-moment. So, in this case, meron tayong 60 mm diameter siya. So, magmo-moment siya from the center. So, kukunin natin yung radius. Yung radius natin ngayon, is equal to 60 mm divided by 2, which is equal to 30 mm. So, ito na yung gagamitin natin na distance para makuha yung force natin, which is parallel to the cross-section. So, our force now is equals to the torque multiplied by the distance, which is equal to the force torque, which is 2,200 Newton meter, multiplied by divided by the distance, which is 30 millimeter, multiply. So, mapapansin nyo, no, naka-meter yung nasa taas. 1 meter is equal to 1,000 millimeter. So, yung force natin ngayon is equal to 2,200 times 1,000 divided by 30. 73,333.333 unit is Newton. So, yun, makukuha na natin yung base natin. Diba? Torque. Shear stress is equal to the force all over the cross-section area. So, isolate natin yung may area, no? Using cross multiplication. So, area now is equal to the force divided by the shear stress. So, area, which is 70, multiplied by the base, is equal to the force, which is 73,333.333 Newton divided by 60 Newton per millimeter square. So, mapapansin nyo, no? Meron pala tayong 70 mm dito. This is 70 mm. So, mag-unit tayo dito. So, cross multiply, no? So, yung base natin ngayon is equal to 73,333.333 Newton all over 60 Newton multiplied by 70 millimeter divided by the millimeter squared. So, makakancel tong Newton. Yung isang millimeter, then yung isang millimeter is aakyat sa taas. So, final unit natin is millimeter lang. Kasi base lang yung hinahanap natin. So, divided by 60 times 70. Ay, saan galing yung 60 pala? Ay, yung ano pala yan, yung MPa, sorry. Meron tayong 17.4603. Unit is millimeter. So, this is the final answer for this problem, no? So, yun. Diba, madali lang.